In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove object in Affinity. We're going to keep this simple and clear. The goal is to remove an object by deleting the layer that contains it. This approach is fast, precise, and avoids touching anything else in your design. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and loading the project you want to edit. Once your file is open, you're ready to work directly with the layer that holds the object you want to remove. On the right side of your screen, you should see the Layers section. This panel is the heart of how Affinity organizes content. Think of layers like stacked transparent sheets. Each sheet can contain an image, text, or shapes. Removing the correct sheet removes the object without disturbing the rest of your design. Take a moment to glance through the layers list so you get a sense of what's inside your document. Next, click on the layer that contains the object you want to remove. You can usually identify it by the thumbnail preview or the layer's name. When you click it, the layer becomes highlighted, confirming it's selected. If your object is a single element on its own layer, this is straightforward. If the object is part of a group, you may see a parent layer that represents multiple items together. Selecting that parent layer tells Affinity which content you're targeting. With the correct layer selected, right-click using your mouse. If you're on a trackpad or using a device without a dedicated right button, use your system's equivalent such as a two-finger click or a modified click to open the context menu. You should now see options that relate specifically to the layer you selected. Choose Delete from the menu. Affinity will remove the selected layer, and with it, the object you no longer need. If the layer you selected was a group, everything inside that group will be removed as well, so make sure you've selected exactly what you intend. If you change your mind immediately after deleting, remember you can undo the last action so you're never locked into a mistake. That's all it takes. Open Affinity, locate the Layers panel on the right, select the layer that contains the object, right-click, and choose Delete. This method keeps your workflow clean and focused, and it ensures other elements stay untouched. Use this approach anytime you need to quickly remove an unwanted object from your project, and you'll keep your edits efficient, accurate, and easy to manage.